Today, we're making spicy bulgogi pork. These bowls pack a punch and are great for lunch and dinner. They're a great balance of flavor and heat. Let's get cooking. First, mince 2 cloves of garlic. Slice 1 onion. And cut our green onion. Measure 4 tablespoons of gochujang. About 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add our garlic. And mix it all together. We'll want to keep mixing until everything is fully dissolved. We're using pork butt today. We'll cut it down into bite-sized strips. We'll add our meat to the marinade, along with the onion, and mix it all together. Allow this to marinate for at least 1 hour. To cook, we'll heat up a pan and add our pork. We'll put a lid on top to speed up the cooking. Once the pork is mostly cooked, we'll add our green onions. Sprinkle a little sesame seeds. We'll set this aside and repeat. We also have Gailon add some veggies. Portion out some rice for each bowl. Add pork bulgogi. Add Gailon. And bam, we have a delicious meal. These were super easy to make, but taste fantastic. The spicy mixed with the savoriness of the pork really hits the spot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.